Hello everyone. We're starting a new topic today, coding and decoding. Now, coding and decoding is basically a method of transmitting a message between a sender and a receiver such that no one else understands it or comprehends it. Now, when we say coding, a particular code or pattern has been used to express a word in English language as some other word or in some other form. Now, this coded word doesn't have to make any sense on its own. We just have to figure out the pattern or the code to arrive back at the original word or the equivalent meaning. And this process of arriving back at the original word is called decoding. For instance, suppose my friend and I, we have a secret code between the two of us, and I want to convey a message to him without letting anyone else know about it. So let's see. Suppose I want to say this to him. I want to convey this message to him without letting anyone else know about it. So what am I going to do? I am going to make use of the pattern that we both know, which could be anything. Suppose this is not a question. Suppose this is R, S, T, U plus 2, U, V, W, N, O, P. Suppose I make use of this pattern. Now, as soon as my friend sees this TWP, this is called, instead of saying run to him out loud, I give him this code, TWP. This is called coding. Now, my friend, as soon as he sees this TWP, he again makes use of the same pattern and arrives back at the original meaning. So this is called decoding. And this was the pattern that I used. Alright, coding, decoding. And there is some pattern. Alright, let's start with the questions now. In a certain language, if the word petroleum is coded as this, then how will you code the word significant?
Now where the same letters are being used, but in a different order.
So figure out that order.
Now it will be C. Option C.
Correct.
So option C.
Correct. What's the pattern here?
So the numbers are randomly mixed, but the number of letters is the same.
No, it's alternate letters here.
The next letter has come.
Yes.
Yes,
Alternate letters here, starting with the first one. P, T, O, E, M. P, T, O, E, M. And then the remaining ones in an alternate fashion again. E, R, L, U. E, R, L, U. Clear? So for significant, S, G, I, A, T. S, G, I, A, T. And then I, N, F, C, N. I, N, F, C, N. Which is option C. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, moving on. Try this one. What's the answer?
Option C.
C, correct. What's the pattern?
Alternate one, and then it is one ahead, and then it is put at the end, and then one at the first end. GH.
GH, correct. +1.
HI.
+1, and then the writing it in reverse order. All right. G H R S O P W X T U H I. Similarly, what's going to happen here? Starting from here,
Yes.
+1, but writing in reverse. E F C D S T T U A B C D Y Z. Third option. Moving on. Oops. Okay, what's the answer? Okay, take a hint here. Let's make use of the chart. What is the position of F6? What's the answer?
13, 4, 25.
4 is not correct. 13, 5, 25 is the answer. The position of F is 6, Y is 25. F 6, Y 25, and February is the second month. M is 13, H 8th position, March is third month. So similarly, M 13th position again, Y 25 again, and May is the fifth month. May is the 5th month. So 1, 3, 5, 2, 5 is the answer. Clear? Moving on. Something to do with the number of letters.
Ma'am, answer is 72.
Correct, 72 is the answer. In apple, there are how many letters? 5.
Ma'am, 5.
5 into 1 less. 5 into 4 gives 20. Striking has how many letters? 3, 6, 8. 8 into 1 less, 7.
8 into 7, 56.
56. Situation 3,
9 into 8.
6, 9. 9 letters into 1 less is 8, 70, 72. D is our correct option. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Try this one.
Option B.
Correct.
3 added. Plus 3.
Plus 3. And then
Now we're leaving 2 letters and then writing.
L2O, an addition of L, M, N, O, plus 3. I, plus 3 again. H comes after E. E, F, G.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Minus 3 again. Minus 3. So our pattern is plus 3 thrice and minus 3 thrice. S, T, U, V, O, P, Q, R, X, K, A, B, C, P, Q, R, S. VRX, KAP. Option B. Moving on. Okay, try this one now. Look for the common letters.
Option C.
No.
Option D.
No, incorrect.
Option B.
Correct. B. How did you do it? What's the code for M?
Ma'am, 8.
Correct. What's the code for I?
5.
5. Correct. Okay. Starting. Critical has C appearing twice as well as I appearing twice. So the code for critical, the code for C and I should appear twice in this given code. The only digits appearing twice are 3 and 5. So C and I could be 3 and 5. C could be 3, C could be 5, I could be 3, I could be 5. Now let's look at the other word, trim. We have an I here, C doesn't come here. So the code of C wouldn't be here. The code of I should be present here. Between 3 and 5, 5 is present here, which means I equals 5, and then C would be what? 3. All right, let's cancel the terms I, C. We're done with the 5 here. 3, 3, 5, 5. All right. Now look at M. trim has an M in it, critical doesn't. So the code of M shouldn't repeat anywhere in critical. 2 repeats, 1 repeats, 8 doesn't repeat. That means the code for M is 8. We are done with 8. Now T and R, both of these letters come in critical as well as in trim. The only codes left here are 2 and 1. So T, comma R, 2, 1. T could be 2, R could be 2. T could be 1, R could be 1. We are not really sure. Alright? Cancelling 2 and 1.
R is 1.
How? How is R 1?
And because in critical none there is no 2.
There is a T here in critical as well. See? T and R.
No 2.
1 and 2. 2, see? 2 is here.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
So it's alright. Clear your doubts, no problem. Alright. Then what do we have left here? A and L. All the letters are done except A and L. A and L would be what? We are done with 1 and 2. 4, 6 and 7 are left here. So A and L could be any two among 4, 6 and 7. Alright. Now we have been asked the code of Mali. M-A-L-I. M is a confirmed 8. I is a confirmed 5. Now for A and L, any two among 4, 6 and 7 should appear in our options. Look at the first one, 8, 5 present, 8 present, 4 present, 3 we do not need a 3. This cannot be our option. 8 present, 5 present, 4 and 7. 2 among 4, 6, 7. This is our correct option. In C, 8 present, 5 present, 4 present, but we need 1 among 6, between 6 and 7. We don't need a 2. C cannot be our option. 5 is not present here. Clear? B is our option. Do I need to re-explain?
No, ma'am.
All right. Moving on. Try this one. Easy, just look for the commons.
Ma'am, Apple is hashtag.
Correct.
Ma'am, exported is ma'am question mark. Ma'am, trees is
correct.
And green is asterisk.
Correct, correct. Simply for apples.
Asterisk and trees is a triangle.
Yeah. For apples, apple is the only word common in 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apple is the only common word in 1 and 2. So apple has to be hashtag. For trees, here and here. Common between 1 and 3 is triangle. Green, 3 and 4.
Asterisk.
Asterisk. Exported. Where is exported?
Question mark.
This one. Question mark. Correct. Easy question. Moving on. Try this one.
option C is the answer.
Correct. What's the code here?
Ma'am, just order wise, ma'am.
Correct. The letters are arranged in the increasing order of their position in the alphabet. Player A, then E, then comes L, P, R, Y. Just in increasing order. So in manager, A, and then E, then G, M, N, R. C.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, moving on.
Option C.
Correct. Option C.
I'm just inversed.
Yes. Yes.
On the first and the last letters are being changed.
Correct. Find the midpoint and then just flip. C, E, S, R, O, T. C, E, S, R, O, T. Similarly here, it's 10 letters long. S, O,
S-O-P-P-O.
P, P, O, and then N, O, I, T, I. Option C.
Was it 42?
No.
132.
32 is incorrect. Write the value of the letters first. CUST.
But is the answer 35?
Yes, 35 is the correct answer. Making use of the chart here, U is 21, S is 19, 21, 19, S 20, S 20, S 30. So here the product of the digits in the place value of the letters, the product is obtained first and then added. Three is 3 itself, 2 is 2 into 1, which is 2, 19 is 1 into 9, which is 9. 2 into 0, which is 0. 1 into 5 is 5 again. 1 into 3 is 3. Add 5, 14, 19, 22. 22 was our code. Similarly, 20 will come for labor. Now for our word reality, 1 into 8 is 8. And then 5, 1. 1 into 2 is 2 again. 9. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 5 is 10. 8, 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 10, 26, and 4 and 5, 35. 35 is the answer. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Note it down. Okay. What's the answer?
Ma'am, option B, 80.
Correct. What's the pattern?
Ma'am, number of alphabets into 3.
Okay, number of letters into 3. Consumer is 8 letters long. 8 into 3, 24. Panic is 5 letters long. 5 into 3 is 15. Sanity, 6 letters long. 6 into 3 is 18. B is the correct option. Moving on. Okay, try this one. Make use of the chart.
Ma'am, is it B?
B, correct.
Ma'am, son, it is ma'am 5 minus 4 minus.
What's the pattern?
Ma'am, sum is equal to 26.
Correct. 3 plus 23, 26. 9 plus 17, 26 again. 20 plus 6, 26. 25 plus 1, 26 again. A is 1, U is 21, T is 20, and O is 15. So A plus 25 would give 26, 21 plus 5, 20 plus 6, and 15 plus 5 and 6, 11. 11 is what? K. 6 is what? F. 5 is E, and 25 is Y. Y, E, F, K. Option B. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Moving on.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it the option D?
No.
Ma'am, is it B?
A. A is the correct option. Let's see what we have here. 19. Add the digits. 1 plus 9 gives 10, which is the position of J.
J.
That is the thing going on here. 1 is 1 itself. 1 plus 4 is 5, which is E. 9 is 9 again. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. B2, G, 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 5, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 9 is 9 again. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is what? J. 9 is I. 3 is C. 6 is F. 3 is C again. C, F, C, I, J. Option A. Noted it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, moving on. Take some time for this one. We have to find the code for these letters at the bottom.
Ma'am, can you please explain this one?
Yes.
Please wait a minute.
All right. Take your time. Try it out.
Now please explain.
Has anyone got some of the codes?
Yes, ma'am. ROMNC and OFRNE.
Okay, all right. Let me do it now. Starting with the first one here. N comes twice in nation. The only letter coming twice here is A. So N is A. I am cancelling it so there is no confusion later on. N is A. Writing it here. Alright. Next, for R, look for the common in 2, 3 and 4. R doesn't come in 4. Z doesn't come in 3.
Only E.
Yes. G doesn't repeat again. R, no. Only E comes in all the 3. So R is E. Where is R? It's E. Cancelling E now. Let's look at M and O in 5. M comes twice, O comes twice. The letters coming twice are Z and...
What name is B?
Let me explain for the ones who have not got it yet. So M and O. Twice here in the code. So M and N could be Z/B. We do not know yet. Check in the 6th one. We have an O here, no M. So for O,
O is B.
B. Correct. O is B. Cancelling B. And M is Z then.
Z.
O is B, M is Z. We have already got N. What is it? A. N was A, cancelling A here, B, Z. The only code left here is P. The only letter left here is C. C is going to be P. Where's C? C is going to be P. What next? Cancelling P. Now let's look at S. I'm going to change the pen color here. Let's look at S. S does not repeat anywhere in the left hand side. So its code should not repeat either. G repeats, N repeats, V repeats, F. F is S. For T, look for the common letter in 1, 2, 3. What's the common one here? G. Correct?
Yes.
V doesn't repeat in 2, N doesn't repeat in 2, G repeats. So G has to be T. G is done, O is done. A and E. Let's look for E. E comes twice here. What's the code coming twice? R. R should be E. F. 4 and 6.
S.
S, correct. B was already done. E was already done. S. F is S. For L, we have got S here. Y, Z and N are left. Okay. Look for A now. Common in 1 and 3. A and I in nation, A and I in stairs. So A and I, any which one between N and V, but then A is here in 4 as well, in formal, no I, and N is here, no V. So A has to be N, then I is V. For L, The only code left here is Y. L has to be Y. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I need to re-explain?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
All right. Try this one. This is 0.5, not 1.5. A incorrect, B correct. 1.5. Pick out the vowels. That's the thing here. India has 3 vowels, Canada has 3 vowels. 3 by 3 is 1. US 1, China 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. U, I, A. 3, A, 2. That's 1.5. Option B. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright, we are done with coding decoding. Easy chapter. After coming from alphabet series, it gets very easier. So we'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Alright, bye.